Welcome back, everyone. Now, this is not one of my cars. My lovely neighbor asked me if I can help him to prep this car, but to be fair, I don't know what needs to be prepped. So I really had to share this with you guys because this car is just stunning. Now, beside the faded headlights, which I'm going to restore in a second, the bodywork looks immaculate, but I'm still going to clay bar it and give it a machine polish to bring that shine back. But I'm shocked that this car is from 2003. It's got one previous owner. It's got full service history. The car has been over prepped. Over serviced. It's had the timing chain done about 3 times in the last 5 years or something like that, with the water pump and everything. And look at the inside. It's stunning. It's still got the original floor mats. And they're in a really good condition. They're very, very, very clean. Look at the seats. It's got full Alcantara seats. Look at the back seat. I don't think anybody has been in there. Look at that. It's just stunning. Honestly, I love this car. It looks so good. It's automatic. It's petrol, if I can remember right, so it should be a quick seller. I'm not sure if people will get put off by the age of the car, but me personally, I would buy it. So I think it's going to be up for 2k because it's an automatic and it's low mileage. Let's have a quick look inside. What I've done with the keys. So yeah, look at that, guys. Look how clean this car is. Just a little bit dirty over there, but gonna get that sorted. And the interior is not even dressed, so it's just as it is. Let's have a look at the mileage. 78,000 miles. Extremely low for this age. So my plan is, well, obviously I don't have to do much on the interior. I'm just gonna use some dressing. I'm gonna clean the tires, add some dressing. I'm going to dress the plastics, and I'm gonna restore the headlights. So I'll update you guys when it's all done. But first things first, I'm gonna go around with a clay bar. Well, the clay myth. It's a lot easier to use. Yeah, stunning car. Now look at this, guys. The headlights are all done. I did spend a little bit of time doing it. By the way, I'm gonna add a short video of me doing the headlights. I had to use sandpaper on this one, but yeah, the car looks fantastic. I've only polished the bonnet because, to be fair, there's no point doing the rest of the car because it looks so good. Yeah, there are a few scratches here and there. They're not very visible like these ones, but I mean, for the age of the car, it's just, I don't know. This is something I would drive daily, to be fair. In this condition and for the price, I think it's going to be out for 2.5 or 2,000, being a automatic. I also done the engine bay. I'm going to show you quickly. On the interior, I haven't done the dressing yet. It's not going to make a massive difference because it's so clean already. I love the Alcantara. Look at the seats. Just look at that. And the back seats is just like, I don't know, it just looks like nobody's been in there. Look at that. It's fantastic. Honestly, I mean, I'm not sure if you guys know this about me, but I'm not just trading cars. I'm also very passionate about cars. And I appreciate pretty much every brand, every car, every model. As for me, there's no best car in the world or best brand. I'm not a BMW fanboy or an Audi fanboy like those fake passionate car enthusiasts. So yeah, let me show you the engine bay. Honestly, I probably spent about 10 minutes on the engine bay. Not more than that. It was a little bit dusty. Maybe I can clean it a little bit more here, but looks alright. Look at those headlights. Yeah, I love it. So hopefully it's not gonna rain now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the photos quickly and then put the car up for sale. Just need to go through the paperwork. Like I said earlier, the car has, oh, I haven't checked the boot on this one actually. Let's have a look, because I bet the boot is gonna look good as well. Yep, exactly what I thought. Now look at this, guys. Well, there is a little bit hair, but look at this. This car is absolute stunning. Sorry, my mouth is a bit dry. I need to drink something, I'm a bit thirsty. But yeah, like I said, I need to go through the paperwork and list everything, because the car had, I think he told me the chain was done about 3 times. I'm not sure if it's a chain or a belt. About 3 times in the last, I don't know, 7-8 years. Or something like that. So they were not just waiting for things to happen. They were just, the car is so maintained. It drives, honestly, it drives spot on. It drives like a brand new car. No knocks, no bangs, no rattles, nothing at all. This car is perfect. I'm honestly, I still don't believe that this is a 2003 car. I don't. But if one of you guys want to buy it, give me a shout on Instagram. We can arrange that with my neighbor, or you can come and see me. And yeah, it's just the car is just fantastic, honestly. It's absolutely stunning. Now on the front it's got proper branded tires. On the rear it's got just some budget tires, but it doesn't really matter, to be fair.